Alright, so Ricky Repairs back here again. So you can see we have no brake lights. So the bullet's out. It's gonna be right here. Alright, so I'll include the part number under the description. Alright, just go to open the trunk. Alright, so once you open the trunk, it's gonna locate the light bolt. We have access to it right here. It's gonna be this bottom one. Let's go and twist it, pull it out. So this is the one that's burnt, as you can see. Let's go and pull it out. So I had to use both hands to pull it out. So here's a new one. There's a part number right there. Alright, so I have to open this. Just go and do that. Alright, so there's a new one. Just gonna put it back in. Alright, so one thing is that make sure you align these little holes right there. That one to those. It's supposed to go in nice and firm. Right there, you can see that went all the way in. After that, just gotta twist it. There you have it. Try to pull it out, it won't come off. Alright, just go to test them. Alright, so it's back it again. See, now it's working. Alright, that's it. It was that easy. So the lights were working. It would go on like that, but once you came to a stop or red light, it won't go on. Well, now it's working now. Alright, that's it for today. Alright, that's it for today. If you like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like it, share it, and subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll catch you in the next one.